Hello guys, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss about a major project, and if you are in MTech, MCA, BE, BTech, or then if you are interested in coding and if you select that thing, software engineering, then this session is very important for you, because in this session we will discuss how to make a online project for online exam. Okay, it is thus now. Okay, so go through the link I have pasted inside the description box and open it and download this thing. Okay, online exam, and after this zip folder you will download it. Just extract it here, extract it, yes, and enter the password. And if you enter okay, then yes, this is the your main folder and it is extracted, and you will find that 4 MB, and here if you find that it 4.2 MB. Okay, this is your simple project. Now you have to go through your XAMPP, and okay, first of all I am starting Apache, and now I am starting MySQL. And after starting this thing, then your system or computer will be act as a server. Until and unless you are not started it, then your system will be system as a simple device. Okay, just minimize it, and here go to the your htdocs, and here what, go to the below, and you will find what, XAMPP control panel. If you install XAMPP, then and search the root directory htdocs. Here htdoc, and in this directory or in this folder you have to paste what we extracted. So just copy it, just copy, and where here is nothing but just paste it, and yes, it is pasted here. And if you open it, then you will find the two files, one folder that is coding, and if this is, you will find such a things. And here you have to open the index.php. this is the main file, and now you have to run. But before running it, you have to send. If you run it, then you will find the error. And which type of error? Error is the database, unknown database error you will find. Now just we are going to the front end, and here come here up to htdoc, erase everything and type here localhost and hit enter. Now you will find error full. Yes, your error is database, exam database is missing. So how to remove that error? Go to the just copy this database name, because you need such type of a database. Open localhost again, because we need the phpMyAdmin, and here I am phpMyAdmin. Just double click it and you will navigate on the phpMyAdmin database section. And here you have to create a database. And how to create that database? Here you can create from here, or just click the new. Just click the new, and which name of the database is missing? Exam database. Just this name put here, because this name database we need. And here come here and general CI and create. First of all, you have to create the database, and inside there is no need to create anything or any table or anything, nothing you have to create it, friends. Okay, just come to the import, and now browse your computer file. So you have to create your zip file. Okay, just create your choose the file, and after choosing the file you will navigate your local computer. So here in htdoc root directory we have just extracted files here, coding and exam database. So select is the exam database. This is the SQL file, friends. This is the SQL file. Okay, SQL database file. In this file there are many things, all table, all question paper and admin information, everything will be contained in this database. Okay, so select it, open it, and come below and press this button, go. and the process is going on, and in a few seconds the process will complete, then your database will be ready. Your database will be ready, and your error has been, you are facing the error will be removed. Okay, just wait in few seconds here. So the all database, all tables and everything will be creating here. Okay, so in a few seconds it will create. Just wait. Yes, everything has been created, friends. Everything has been created, so you don't need create anything what we actually required. So that's it. Leave as it and come to the here and refresh it, and yes, congrats, everything will be connected. So this is image mark you, and this is the exam software developer login, and here login and here register. If you already registered, then you can log in. So first of all I will register it myself, because already registration is not coming there. So come here and I will register my name, nothing but this is the, okay, so it is also registered. So 456 I am, yes, registered successfully. And now you have to go to the login page, and your student will log in like that. So your student will log in like that, and here, and just enter the password which you have created, and just log in, then after entering this thing, yes, you have logged in your section. It does mean your student is login like that. And start now exam, and if you start exam, then your exam will be started. So in this section, type of question paper, MCQ, and 70 question I have, and multiple choice question, and 120 second for each question I have allotted it. You can also change this, and you can also add one more question, and you can also remove one more question. But you are now a student, so you can't do anything what you want to. Only you are just appearing the exam or start the exam. And who is the founder? This is the section, this is the timer, and this is the exam, this is the logout, and it is the message, and welcome to this exam, and question of 1 of 70. So total 70 question, and you are appearing the nothing but first question. So who is the founder of C++? So Bizarre start off, and next question, then your question will be passed on. So which primitive data type in C? So I can primitive, it does mean primary data type. So just I have selected. So two question made, I made write it. So algorithm will work on it. And who is the founder of WW? Tim Berners-Lee. 3 question I have find it. So 3 question I have corrected. Okay, and now I am skipping everything, and because I am not waiting for wasting for your time. So just I am skipping. I have crossed everything questions, and I come in 17 questions. So programming level were termed as the compiler, everyone. I am just select nothing but, and as you next question, as you made next question, then your score will display here. Yes, because your score will display here. Yes, congrats, your score percentile. 3 question I have made right. View the correct answer. So click here. Yes, your correct answer, this is like that, and it is the all total 70 question, and you can also restart your question paper. So it is your restart, but I am coming here, and again you can start your paper. So if you start, then you come here, and if you log out, then this is your logged out. So it is the front end area for student only. But if you are interacting as admin, so what will you do? So nothing but just come here, and admin, if you type here admin, then you will navigate on this admin section. Here you can add the question. So I am entering my credentials, and I am a admin. I am interacting here as a admin. So here home, manage user. So I can add many more admins or not, or add question. question list or logout. If I open that question list, then whole the question which I founder of C++ and primitive data type and whatever founder of WW, everything, all question is like that. So here, and 70 question, it is your all 70 question. Okay, and now if you want to remove, 17th question, or you can add, so you can remove from here. So I am removing 17 question. So yes, you want to remove, so I have removed 17 question, add questions, and again I am 69. So here question number is 69. So I have removed it with 17th question. So enter the question, just 2 plus yeah, or simple like question what is, so what is sum of 2 plus 4. So then 2, just for example 3, and actual correct answer is third. 4 plus 2 6, and this is 1. So correct answer is choice third. So then you will put third option and add a question. And if you add a question, yes, your question add, and just check the list your question has been. Entering my credentials because I am same student, so I don't need to sign up again. And here I am starting. This is the picture. You can already change. If you download it, you can customize the whole website as you need, as your project requires. So here start now. Just I will start it. Okay, 70 questions reflecting here, and 120 seconds time. So I am just here, again this is boring. Is 2 plus 3 what? 5. Just enter 5 and go to the next. So the what is the total correct option is 2%. So if you attempt the whole exam, then the ultimate result will come, because I am just demonstrating this thing, so I have not view the answer, and you can go there. Yes, your answer is again is ready, and your question is you will find here. Okay, and if you log out, yes, log out, then you will go to the here. So this is that thing, and it is the login admin zone. So you can easily backend, you can manage your websites, and you can also upload. And here home, this is the home, manage user. So I have already enter my name, so you can disable one more thing, and add question. So here is the 71 list of that question, yeah, like that, and now you can log out. So this is the main and ready-made website, so you can download. Link is below. So if you like it, then